Hi everyone! If your GCash is not working on Android version 4.4 or lower, don't worry, this quick tutorial will help you fix it. First, go to your phone settings, then tap GCash. Tap Force Stop to completely close the app. Next, uninstall the current GCash app from your phone. After that, open Google Chrome and type APKPure download. Download and install the APKPure app. Once APKPure is installed, open it and search for GCash. Tap History Versions, then select the version from October. Download and install that version of GCash. After installation, open GCash, enter your mobile number, and wait for the OTP. Next, register your device. No need to wait for 4 hours anymore. And that's it. Your GCash should now be working again on Android 4.4 and below. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.